How to create a YouTube channel in 5 minutes. Here we go. We're gonna no fluff this mofo. All right, first thing we need to do is open up a browser. Boom. All right, let's go ahead and do it like this. We're gonna go ahead and log in to our Gmail account. You wanna put in your password here or your username. We're not messing around right now. We're just going. All right. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, you'll see these buttons up here. Click those buttons. Drop down will come down. Go to YouTube. And boom, you are on YouTube. And guess what? You automatically have every Gmail automatically comes with a YouTube account. Here you can see, I have upload video, go live, create posts. Now, if you want, every email can have up to 100 YouTube channels. So you could theoretically have 100 YouTube channels. If you want to make another YouTube channel, let's say you only have one right now. It's the one that came with your account. You want to create another one with a different niche. You click on your little icon up here. Then you go to switch account. Then you go to view all channels. When you get to view all channels, this is where it will display all the channels that you've created right here. Here you see create a channel. You click create a channel. You could name it whatever you want, just for fun and giggles. Boom. All right. So this channel, this is the handle that you will use whenever you need to make sure that it's best that both of these actually match up, right? So create channel. Let's go ahead and create that channel. Now, it doesn't exist yet because it's right here. And so if you want to switch back and forth between your channels, you go to switch account, and that's what you do. So if you wanted to actually go to that channel, you go to YouTube. I don't know why it's saying that right now. Then you go at just for fun and giggles. Boom. Okay, let's see here. Gmail. Boom. You can always click on the little dots. Always click on your icon. Switch account. Boom. So now it took a little time to propagate. That's what happened there. Now here's the channel. So if I want to upload, I can start uploading right here. And so this is your actual call sign. So if you wanted to send somebody to your channel, that is the name that you go by. It has to be a unique name that nobody else has. See, there we go. Then once you create your YouTube channel, you want to customize this. So if you just go after you're logged in, switch to your account, you go to your handle, then you go to customize channel. This is where you can update, change your banner, your picture, and all of that stuff. Put your description. It's important to do a lot of this stuff. And so another thing you want to do, after you get done creating your channel, maybe setting up your banner, your profile picture, you want to click on settings. Then you want to go to channel. Here's where you want to put your country. And then you want to put in your keywords here of what your channel is about. If it's for gaming, you want to put gaming and so on. Pretty obvious stuff. Here you can set up so every time you upload a video, you don't have to input these all the time over and over and over again. But that's essentially it. That's it in a nutshell. All right. Well, get out there and make a YouTube channel, man. create some content. One of the reasons why I actually made this video was because if you have no idea what my actual channel is about, my channel isn't really about creating YouTube tutorials on how to do things, but it's more about the journey on what I'm learning as I quit my job and I said, hey, fuck it. I am going to go YouTube 100%. So that is where, that's what this channel is mainly about. However, I do realize that there are some things that people could get value out of. And so that's kind of why this video exists. And I will continue to provide value and information whenever I come across it and stuff like this that could help out the community. If you found this video valuable, drop a like and subscribe. And if you want to know what this channel is really all about, just click up here or there. I don't think any YouTuber is actually going to get that down. But other than that, get out there and make some damn content. All right. I'll see you guys later. Peace.